Man versus nature. Natural disasters continue to occur in our lifetime and cause major disruptions for many people. But there is no competition between man and Mother Nature because nature always wins. A natural disaster is defined as a consequence of a natural hazard occurring on land, sea, or air. Tornadoes, hurricanes, ice storms, tsunamis, volcanoes, etc. are examples of natural disasters. Recently, a volcano in Iceland erupted, causing major disruptions for many people all across the globe. The fear of tiny particles of ash clogging jet airplane engines caused flights to be canceled and vacations extended. In the end, it was reported by Time magazine that the volcano eruption cost the global air industry an estimated $200 million a day. In this first photo, we see craters spewing ash. In the second photo, horses are herded to safety away from the volcanic cloud. In the third photo, a cloud of volcanic ash moves over a family farm. And passengers here are stranded at London's Heathrow Airport. And while the people who experienced the Icelandic volcano were inconvenienced, the residents of Louisiana were even more greatly stretched beyond their means when Hurricane Katrina hit August 29, 2005. By August 31st, about 80% of New Orleans had been flooded and 90% had been evacuated. These people had tried to compete with nature but ended up losing the battle. There was significant loss of life, with reports of bodies floating on the water. According to the Louisiana Department of Health, the death toll was 1,464 people. On September 4th, Mayor Ray Nagin speculated death toll could rise as high as 10,000 after cleanup efforts. Hurricane Katrina caused communication failures and damage to commercial buildings, residential homes, and roads. It caused risk of diseases to climb, such as dehydration, food poisoning, spread of hepatitis A, tuberculosis, and typhoid fever. In this first photo, cars are parked on New Orleans streets that are flooded to the top of the wheel wells. And here, neighborhoods and roadways throughout the area remain flooded. And another case of man versus nature was the Haiti earthquake that happened in January 2010. It was reported by the Haitian government that 230,000 people lost their lives, 300,000 were injured, and 1 million were left homeless. It was also estimated that 250,000 residences and 30,000 commercial buildings had collapsed or were severely damaged. Communication systems, air, land, and sea transport had been damaged, hampering rescue and aid efforts. The morgues were quickly overwhelmed with the magnitude of bodies. The earthquake had interrupted life for the people of Haiti, and there wasn't anything they could do about it. In this first photo, we see a man exiting a restaurant after he looks for his belongings. And a Haitian woman is pulled from earthquake debris by members of LA County SAR. And the survivors of the Indonesian tsunami of 2004 knew how the Haitians felt. Out of nowhere, a tsunami caused by the Indian Ocean earthquake killed nearly 230,000 people in 14 countries. It was one of the deadliest natural disasters in history. Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India, and Thailand were the hardest hit, and it caused the entire planet to vibrate as much as 1 centimeter and triggered earthquakes as far away as Alaska. Their lives had been destroyed and their world turned upside down. In this photo, we see the scene shows the destroyed streets of Indonesia, which lost about a quarter of its citizens in the tsunami. And here, debris and destroyed houses are a result of the tsunami. In In the game of life, there's no competition between man and Mother Nature. She is so powerful and mighty, and we have no authority or strength to fight the battle. She will win every time.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap.